Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing some springy afro twist using this x-pression twisted up hair, springy afro twist 24 inches. It's the color number 1 and 3 bundles came in the pack. So each bundle has 7 pieces. It's already separated. As you can see, that's why this hair is so easy to use. Next, I'm going to be using the freetress braid junior boho kinky junior number 1, color number 1. This hair is the curly piece that I'm going to be using at the end of each twist. These two hair combined together works amazing. So guys, just keep watching and you'll see how I combine both hair together. So for the product, I'll be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. This jam is awesome. It works really well for my type 4 hair and it helps me with the parts. So as you can see, I started the back already off camera just to make sure I knew what I was doing. So now I'm gonna be sharing with you how I do the rest. The parting for me doesn't matter. I just part to part because it's not really gonna show. So here I have the hair. Now I'm gonna take 1 out of the 7 pieces out of the bundle. Then that piece, I'm gonna use it and split in half. So each piece out of those 2 that you see I have, I'm gonna use for each twist, and I'm just gonna use a small piece of the boho kinky hair. So in this clip, I'm just parting and adding jam to the hair. I'm gonna add jam to the ends of my hair as well, just so it's moisturized under these twists. So here, as you can see, I'm using my hair as the middle piece between the twist hair, and I'm just gonna use those 3 pieces to start a plait before I begin to twist my hair. So just watch carefully to see exactly what I do. Then, as you can see, I'm gonna split my natural hair in 2 pieces and then begin to twist. So the next clip that's coming after this is more detailed, so you'll see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so here I'm gonna slow it down for you. So as you can see, I'm about to add the boho here into my twist. So what I do is I use my boobs to mark where to start to add in the boho hair. So each twist, that's the length I go to, and then I start to add in the boho hair. So at the end of each twist, I'm gonna make a knot just to secure the twist. So my next step is to make sure that they're all the same length. So what I do is I measure each twist after I'm finished, and then what is the extra piece, I just trim it with a scissors. Alright, KK squad, so this next clip now, you guys can just watch closely because I made sure to zoom all the way up in your face so you can see exactly what I do or what I was explaining in the first clip. Oh, I forgot to explain this part to you, KK Squad. So as you can see, while I'm twisting, I am spinning the hair just so I can get the twist to look like a rope, because in Jamaica we call it rope twist. So I spin the hair, if that makes sense, while I'm twisting. You can look at the close-up right here while I am adding the boho here, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I say I'm spinning the hair. So like I said, I'm just going to show you guys the last row that I have to do on camera, because I did most of it already off camera. So after this one, then one more, and I'm finished with the back. So as you can see here, I am adding Vaseline. I should have showed it to you guys, but I'm adding Vaseline to the hair because the hair is very dry. It matches my type for hair very well, but while you're twisting, it is so dry, I had to add Vaseline or some type of oil to the hair. It doesn't have to be Vaseline, it could be any type of oil, just to protect your fingers while twisting. Now I'm on the last twist before I get started with the front. The easiest part for me, yes, my favorite part. Alright, so let's get into the fun facts. So fun fact number 1, this hairstyle took me 6-7 hours. I think it was, yes, 7 hours, and I got done with this hairstyle 4 a.m. in the morning. So you see how my face skin up in the video, I'ma just look tired and restless because it was morning. It was like before daylight, before sun come out. So yes, those are my fun facts. Alright, all done with the back, so let's get started in the front. My favorite part, yes, I love to cane roll. In Jamaica we say cane roll, corn roll, braids, whichever you might call it. So as you can see, the parts are very important if you want your braids to go the direction as mine. So what I did is I part the hair slant, so the braids will come out looking slant. So as you can see, there's an up close how I braid my hair step by step. Keep watching. Another thing is, as you can see, I applied the jam on my hair before I start the braids. And guys, I have more detailed videos on how I braid my hair step by step. A lot of videos, I'll leave them down in the description box or in the card. So here what I do is I just braid my natural hair without the hair, just my hair only. Then I'm gonna split the end of my hair in 2 pieces, right? When I split it in 2 pieces, I'm gonna add the twist hair in my hair. So just watch carefully how I add in the hair. I'm applying Vaseline right there because like I said, the hair is dry, so just look carefully how I twist in the hair. It's just like how I twist in the boho hair, it's the same way. This is an easy way to do it. For me, it is very easy, and I think it looks more natural doing it this way instead of trying to feed in the twist hair into my braids. So if you guys want to try this way or you want to add in the hair in your braids, you could try either way, but this was super easy for me just doing it this way. Nobody knew that the hair wasn't involved in the braid as well. So I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing where I add the boho here at the end of each twist and then tie a knot at the end of the twist. Like I said, the parting in the front is very important. As you can see, you want your braids to go a certain way, so you have to part the hair slant. So now I'm just gonna keep doing what I explained earlier, that I'm just gonna braid my natural hair, and then at the end of each braid I am going to split my natural hair into two and then feed in the twist hair, and then at the end I feed in the boho hair. So on the opposite side, as you can see, I did the same thing where I part the hair slant and then I braid the hair slant. So that's how I got that zigzag in the middle. You just have to keep going with the pattern. By the way, as you can see, I'm on the last two. Ooh, did happy like me, girl? Did happy and excited early in the morning day. Like I said, it was like 4 a.m. in the morning. I was just dying to be done and clean up and take a shower, and I did take a shower in between doing my hair. That's why I had a change of clothes, because at first I was wearing a gray dress, and in these clips you can see I was wearing a red top. Yes, I went to take a shower, and yes, I had to take another shower after, because you know, just sitting for all the hours, you just want bathe, you get sweaty, you just want to bathe before you go lay down in your bed. Yeah, that's me. Lord, me just such as I go with, so but I'm on the last one and I was happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so just stay tuned to see the final look. How can I forget to tell you guys, this girl was about to catch a flight in a couple of hours, so I had to take a nap, wake up, get my nails done, my lashes done, and head out for Detroit. Go watch that vlog. That vlog was uploaded before I uploaded this video, so go check it out, guys. Okay, queens, for all my queens that are watching, if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, comment down below your favorite thoughts, what you think about this hairstyle, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.